Hey everyone, welcome to Speedway Motors Tech Talk. I'm Joe, and today Kyle and I are going to talk about this Speedway Motors seatbelt combo. And first of all, Kyle, tell us what is in this kit if I order one of these.
Yeah, this is our affordable SFI-rated seatbelt kit, and you have both shoulder harnesses, your lap belt, and your sub belt.
Okay, and this only comes one way, it's pulled down, right?
Yes, and by pull down, we mean as in you'd pull away from yourself to tighten yourself down on the lap belt, and that only has to do with the lap belt.
And this can be mounted wraparound as well as bolt-in, right?
Yes, the kit comes with 5 tabs for each belt. Otherwise, like you said, we can do the wraparound.
And that brings us to the next thing that we're going to talk about, properly wrapping a belt. That's something that once you've done it once or twice, you know how to do it forever. Kyle's been doing this for a million years. But if you've never done it before, sometimes it's a tricky thing to figure out how to wrap it properly. So Kyle here is going to show us how to do this right. So we've got kind of a fake harness bar here. If we were in the car, the seat would be here and the driver would be pointed that way. So you go through the buckle once.
And they're going to go finish through the buckle on the other side. Tighten it up. And then the biggest thing is just to finish it off by going back through the buckle. And tighten it up.
And there it is. And like I say, it's not rocket science, but if you've never done it before, sometimes being able to see it just once is all you need. And you have this then, the flappy left over. You know, people have different ways of rolling it up and putting a zip tie through it or taping it or just leaving it hang.
Yeah, it's something simple. You can either zip tie them together, rolled up, put some duct tape around it. Anything basically just to keep it from dangling or catching onto something and messing it up.
Right. All right, well that's all there is to it. Speedway Motors seatbelt combo, right way to wrap. Thank you for showing us that, Kyle, and thanks to everybody for watching.